Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The day is still open for a little bit while longer, so you're not crazy or seeing things. This candle right there is still changing. But as far as what I'm going to talk about, unless there's some sort of drastic movement that happens, which would be cool to find on video here. But everything that I'm going to talk about still pertains. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. So let's get some levels mapped out and updated. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that comes about, though, is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So right up here at essentially 270 is the newest area of support, and what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you were to ask what would make this chart look the strongest going forward, definitely if the price can stay above 270. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that area, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line there is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 270 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still got that level up there, which I talked about on Friday at 287. Got somewhat close to it right there, but didn't quite hit it. So continue to keep an eye on that level going forward. But all in all, no doubt about it, very nice way to start off the new week. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.